In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit header in GoDaddy Website Builder. The header is the first thing visitors see, so dialing it in sets the tone for your entire site. We'll walk through accessing the editor, selecting the header, and customizing the key elements like your cover media, logo, text, navigation, and call to action button, then wrap up by previewing and publishing your changes. Start by signing in to your GoDaddy account, locating the website you want to work on, and selecting Edit Website. That opens the website builder editor for your site. If you need quick access, I've placed the official link to GoDaddy Website Builder at the top of the description so you can jump right in. On the homepage preview, move your mouse to the top area and click anywhere within the header. You'll know it's selected when a blue border appears around the section. Once the header is active, look to the right side of your screen. The editing panel there will update with all the controls relevant to your header, so keep that panel open as your hub for changes. Let's start with your cover media. Click the current image or video thumbnail in the preview, or use the option in the right panel to swap it. You can upload your own files, browse built-in stock photos, or switch to a solid color background if you prefer a clean, minimal look. Choose visuals that are high quality, on-brand, and easy to read over. If text sits on top, consider adding a subtle overlay for contrast. Next, adjust your logo. Click the logo area to edit. You can type a text logo, upload a PNG or SVG, and tweak the size and alignment so it sits comfortably in the layout. If you're refining your brand, try the AI logo maker to quickly generate a simple mark that fits your style. Update the headline and paragraph text by clicking directly on the words in the preview, or by editing them from the right panel. Keep your main message clear and short so visitors know exactly what you do at a glance. Now fine-tune your navigation. Use the menu controls to add or remove pages and arrange their order. You can also adjust the menu style and background to match your header. Set up your action button by changing the button text and linking it to another page on your site or an external URL. Finally, open your style or design options to adjust overall header colors, background behavior, and element alignment. Your edits often save automatically, but use preview to check how everything looks. When you're happy, click publish to make the changes live. Thanks for watching.